This is Jesse with Jesse Dean Designs, showing you how to set the cut in on your JDDX2R-SX portable fader for the Stanton Stx turntable. First thing, make sure your fader's selected to the side you want. Second thing, make sure your fader reverse is off. Start your turntable and go and set the needle on the record. Now move your fader all the way right, and then go ahead and on the right trimmer, go ahead and set clockwise till we hear audio, and then back it off counterclockwise till it cuts. Set your cut in, and we move it fader reverse, and do the same on the left side with the left trimmer, clockwise till we hear audio, and back it off till we hear audio cut.
I'm the realest, the illest.
This is Jesse with Jesse Dean Designs, showing you how to set the cut in on the JDDX2R-SX portable fader.
I'm the realest.